All right, so we got a 2024 Volvo XC40 key fob. I'm gonna show you how to open it up to replace the battery, okay? So we're gonna take the front cover and then the back cover off. The back cover is what holds the battery. Take the front cover off, sliding button right here. I'm gonna slide it down, hold it down, and then we can slide this cover up. It'll unlock, and then we can take it off, okay? We're gonna do the same thing with the back cover, except the button is now right here. I'm gonna slide it towards the middle. Then we're gonna pull the cover, I'm gonna slide it up, and it'll unlock, and then we can pull it off. Right. So you're gonna need a flathead screwdriver for this next part. And what you need to do is you need to unlock this cover, okay? You can see right here, there's an arrow here, an arrow here. This arrow says close, this one says open. We need to turn this counterclockwise until these arrows match, and then it'll let us open it up. Okay, so now we got it matched up. Now you're gonna have to kind of dig at this cap. So having something really thin would be nice, but just be kind of careful when you pull up on it like this and remove it. And the battery will just come flying right out. So here's the battery. The size is going to be CR2032. Positive sign facing out towards us. I'm going to stick it into the top of the remote like this first. With these little holders right here in a contact. I'm going to get that around that first. Just like that, and it'll hold it in there. If you need a battery, check the description box. I have a link that takes you to Amazon. If you need a new battery, they're really cheap there, so check that out. Get the cap, stick it back on, line these back up, and then we're going to close it just like that. So this is the cover for the battery. Stick this back on here, and then we're going to lock it on. You can hear it kind of click and lock on. Same thing with this side. Line it up like that, lock it back on, and you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me, or leave me a comment if you could. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comment box, and hope to see you again in another video.